What's going on YouTube? It's your boy JG. I'm gonna do a quick video today, basically explaining to you how to get screen record on your iMac or MacBook Pro. This works on most of the latest versions. I don't know which version you have, but I'm pretty sure it'll work for you because they've had this for quite some time now. So first thing you're going to want to do, if you don't have this app already installed, usually it comes installed in the MacBook Pros, but if you don't have it, you can search it in the App Store. It's going to be called QuickTime Player. So QuickTime Player is what you're looking for. I believe it's in the App Store, but if not, I'm pretty sure that it comes directly into your thing. So what you want to do to find it is go to the search bar, search QuickTime. You'll see the first one will be QuickTime Player, and then this will pop up. After this pops up, you want to go to the top left corner where you'll see File, and you can do a new screen recording, new audio recording, or new movie recording. Now, you can do an audio recording and record just your audio. You can do a screen recording from here. I wish I could do it again from here, but basically when you click new screen recording, you're going to get the option whether you want to record a portion of the screen or whether you want to record or whether you want to record the entire screen. So that's completely up to you. It also allows you to take pictures like a screenshot and stuff like that of a portion versus the entire screen as well. But let me click new movie recording. Let's see. Oh, and if I click new movie recording, it'll actually record me here, which is pretty cool. Oh, but if you connect to your iPhone, you can definitely, just connect the iPhone 3 camera straight to here, which is really, really freaking cool. And yeah, so basically, if I wanted to show you guys something recorded on my phone, I would do something like that. Let's get out of here because this is taking up a lot of space. But yeah, that's QuickTime Player. It was quick and easy video. Nothing too crazy. And when you finish, so I'm actually gonna finish this now and then screen record again to show you. You want to click. There's gonna be the stop button up here, so you want to click that. And go. And then, I know this looks a little bit confusing, and then this will pop up. So you'll have like a link, or not a link, but like a whole, the video that you just recorded, you'll have it here popped up on your main screen. Now this will pop up in your recent files, or if you want to search for it, you can, let's search for it. Let's go to Finder. And yeah, once you click Finder, your recents should definitely just pop up, and it'll be there, which is perfect, easy, nice, convenient for everybody. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful, amazing. Wow, two things that are OD confusing.